I just went to order one and the parts. So we've got the silicone joiners. Dude, I think some of these hoses are way too big, but it's all they had at Autobahn. Honestly, I just want to hear Flutter. I cannot wait to hear this. I had a Mazda GTX and aftermarket turbo with an intake kit. And turbo sounded insane, bro. Insane. I'll put it to the radio. And it'd be like a good size, but this is humongous. Yeah, we just gotta chuck this in. And then we get to hear Flutter. Flutter is gonna be insane, hopefully. Now we're gonna take it on a quick drive. It's quiet. It's pretty good. Insanely loud, eh?